It's me again, Tami Divine with Baby Life Begins. All right, this time I want to show you weeks 3 and 4 as the baby is growing and developing inside the mama's womb. Now, this is all video that most of us are just seeing for the very first time. It comes from erf.science and their See Baby Grow video series. The pictures inside the mama's womb are absolutely stunning. Watch with me.
By 4 weeks, the clear amnion surrounds the embryo in a fluid-filled sac. This sterile liquid, called amniotic fluid, provides the embryo with protection from injury. The heart typically beats about 113 times per minute. Note how the heart changes color as blood enters and leaves its chambers with each beat. The heart will beat approximately 54 million times before birth and over 3.2 billion times over the course of an 80-year lifespan. Rapid brain growth is evidenced by the changing appearance of the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Upper and lower limb development begins with the appearance of the limb buds by 4 weeks.
Okay, first of all, 54 million times, that's a huge amount of heartbeats going on with that baby. Unbelievable. And I didn't know that the brain was split up into 3 parts like that. But isn't it awesome that even though the baby is like the size of a raisin right now at 4 to 5 weeks, he or she is already so complex. Just stunning. Okay, let's keep going.
The skin is transparent at this point because it is only 1 cell thick. As the skin thickens, it will lose this transparency, which means that we will only be able to watch internal organs develop for about another month.
Okay, I don't want you to miss that, okay? So the baby's skin at this point is only 1 cell thick. What? That's why I guess we can see all of the baby's blood vessels at this point. Oh, and did you see that the legs and the arms are starting to get ready to grow now?
Between 4 and 5 weeks, the brain continues its rapid growth and divides into 5 distinct sections. The head comprises about 1/3 of the embryo's total size. The cerebral hemispheres appear, gradually becoming the largest parts of the brain. Functions eventually controlled by the cerebral hemispheres include thought, learning, memory, speech, vision, hearing, voluntary movement, and problem solving. In the respiratory system,
Fine right there. Very
the
cool.
right and left main stem bronchi are present. And will eventually connect the trachea or windpipe with the lungs. Note the massive liver filling the abdomen, adjacent to the beating heart. The permanent kidneys appear by 5 weeks. The yolk sac contains early reproductive cells called germ cells. By 5 weeks, these germ cells migrate to the reproductive organs adjacent to the kidneys.
Okay, I want to pause there because it's just all so incredible to me. So at 4 to 5 weeks, we're already starting to see the respiratory system that helps the baby with the breathing. And then we're also seeing the liver and the kidneys at just 4 to 5 weeks old inside the womb. This is not just a blob of tissue, okay?
Also by 5 weeks, the embryo develops handplates, and cartilage formation begins by 5.5 weeks. Here we see the left handplate and wrist at 5 weeks and 6 days.
All right, so it's insane to me that at this point in the baby's growth in the womb, the baby already has reproductive cells. That means that this baby can make more babies in the future, right? In the distant future. If that's not science and proof that this is a living human being, I don't know what is. The mama won't be able to feel the baby moving until about 10 weeks. But at this point, around 5 weeks, for some, it might be around 6 weeks, that baby is definitely starting to move around now. That is so cool. I love it. Well, that's it for now. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe because the socials push it out to more people when you engage with it. So the next video is going to be about mama eating right while pregnant, all right? If you don't, this could cause childhood obesity in your toddler, and we don't want that, okay? So as always, we love to show you when baby life begins.